Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna.
Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. Our motive is your success. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction is based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video, you will know about this month, business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit in this month. Lord Sun. In the beginning of this month, Lord Sun will transit in Pisces zodiac sign. On 14 April, Lord Sun will enter in the Aries zodiac sign. Lord Mars. In the beginning of this month, Lord Mars will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. On 14 April, Lord Mars will enter in the Gemini zodiac sign. Lord Mercury. In the beginning of this month, Lord Mercury will transit in Pisces zodiac sign. On 6 April, Lord Mercury will go Astha. On 16 April, Lord Mercury will enter in the Aries zodiac sign. 30 April, Lord Mercury will rise. Lord Jupiter. In the beginning of this month, Lord Jupiter will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 5 April, Lord Jupiter will enter in the Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Venus. In the beginning of this month, Lord Venus will transit in Pisces zodiac sign. On 10 April, Lord Venus will enter in the Aries zodiac sign. 19 April, Lord Venus will rise. Lord Saturn. In this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. Lord Rahu. In this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu. In this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Thanks. Aries horoscope of April 2021. For the business. If planning for expansion of business, then you should execute during this month as the outcome will be encouraging. Your business will be on the quick move, but productivity will vary from day to day. You will need to be more practical in your approach and stringent in dealings with the client. You should believe in your strengths, ability and self-confidence and make fair deals in accordance to same. People who are thinking about starting their own business should make a move now, as you will be benefited with favorable results. For the job. The career prospects for Aries will be on the move. Natives in search of jobs will get good opportunities. The freshers will have a favorable time and will get good proposals to start with their career. Those looking for jobs abroad shall apply now, as you will get desired results. Also, these months will be auspicious for government employees and those looking for jobs in the government sector. Marital life or children. The family time will be cheerful. You will share a blissful relationship with your family members. You will be spending time with your children, understanding their needs, comforts and perception towards the things around them. You could also get some good news regarding childbirth in your family this month. You may go out on a short trip with your family or to a religious place with your parents. Lovers. The love life of Aries will be a bit challenging during this month. Your partner will be demanding attention and you will be too occupied with your stuff to hear them. Students or education. Your luck will favor you in your education. In the field of studies, you will get the benefit of your intelligence. Due to your brain power, you will be able to achieve success in many places. Health. You may suffer from heat strokes, stomach issues, eye problems and poor vision. You should take care of your eating habits and try not to eat outside food or consume liquor. You just need to relax your mind and take good sleep, as you may face insomnia. Those who have major diseases should go for regular checkups and keep themselves protected from extreme temperatures. Dates where you need to be careful: 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 29, and 30. Remedies. Recite Hanuman Chalisa every day, chant Bij mantra of Lord Mars every day. Feed 7 types of grains to birds. Chant the mantras of Lord Jupiter, Lord Rahu, and Lord Ketu every day. Donate money or food items to needy people. For the knowledge of the planet's mantras and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Wishing you and your whole family very happy festive season. We pray to God that the grace of God remains on you forever. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business related problems, health related problems, marriage, love related problems, horoscope matching, Vastu and horoscope matching etc. Monday to Saturday from 10 am to 6 pm. You can call us, WhatsApp and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motive is your success. Thank you. Jaya Shri Krishna.